Yeah, guys, as you can see, it's about to be a night at Mexico or in Mexico. This is an RS3. This is one car I really wanted growing up, like an RS3. And as you can see, it has the MTM badge over there. And we are at Mexico. Very, very, very sick M340i. And as you can see, it's an X drive and it's deadly. So try him on your own accord. Lester, that's no shot at you. But this is a very, very sick M340i. This is the new gen and he has done some stuff to it. Let me clean the lens. As you can see, he's done some stuff to it. Changed the LEDs to the yellow ones and then, you know, the halo or halogen lights all around that. Look, no check engine. Whew. So Deadly says I can go out in his car. I don't have like anything to help me record, so going out in the Deadly mobile. Because I was driving, I couldn't record, so this is another perspective from the passenger seat. Yeah. Trying to cut the cash off. They wrapped the pee off.
When you let off,
Yeah.
there's a
You get in-house blow.
yeah. Your car is smooth.
The brakes, the brake.
Yeah, the brakes be braking. The car is smooth.
Should I show you something? It's about to be a lovely one. Look at the display. Deadly 340. 03 in the Honda Accord.
Then go fuck you and you go see.
That's all them quick.
Then you bash you, yo.
Yeah.
Ah, make I go here. Make I go cut.
Good luck.
We ready.
Me tough up.
Somebody cross somebody. Stop Harris.
Yo, this car is just brutally fast, and it doesn't make sense. I mean, it makes sense, but it doesn't make sense. I've honestly really loved these cars for a while. That is F10 M5. Guys, watch this. Charlie, he shoots some of the biggest flames you've ever seen. And Charlie, lovely.